Wait, stand up. No way! Okay, focus.
Leo, they've been doing it all day.
Have you gotten videos of this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, so much. Is he proud?
Scarlett was so happy this morning. I scored something on the game, and she was, Violet!
Look at Leo. Thinking he can't make it. They've been doing it all day, you know.
Oh, I better get out of the way. Mom, I think you would, if I were you, I would get out of the way. He lands right there.
All the way around.
Go, go, go. Get out of the way.
No, he's good.
Isn't that cute?
Right back.
Now you get a break, huh?
Dad, I don't know about those white legs. You gotta get a tan before you wear shorts. You can't be out here in these shorts without some white legs.
He went to the store like that.
Hi.
That's mortifying.
Hey.
Is that Grandpa?
What
Is
you
that
doing?
Grandpa?
That's going to be on this video, you saying that.
Well,
Come
good.
here. Come here.
Good. It's important that
Come on.
it's documented. I did not.
I'm paying attention to him. Look at how good he's doing.
Nice to pass.
Veg!
Wow, where are you going?
Stop.
Hey, shut it off, Fletch.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
Can we get some high fives? What's up, buddy? He is a jolly good man. He's a jolly good man. He's a jolly good man.
What?
But nobody
Oh,
can
yeah. Look at her looking at you.
You are amazing. I can't believe we did that.
What's the matter? She's not happy right now.
You little sad
They're
face.
doing it.
You want to come see Grandma?
Here.
Want to come see